Hello everyone, Emmanuel Bazil from emmanuelbazil.com. Welcome to my ADA Comply 2.0 review. ADA Comply 2.0 will be released on April 16th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm here in the dashboard area of ADA Comply 2.0. I will tell you all about this dashboard and I will show you all those different components here and tell you how you can use this software. In a nutshell, ADA Comply 2.0 is a compliance software. It allows you to become compliant with the Americans with Disability Act, with hence the word ADA. That's basically what they are referring to. Websites that are not compliant with the Americans with Disability Act are being sued and are being fined. And this software is the solution to this problem. It'll allow you very quickly to become compliant with the act. So before I go through this and show you exactly how you can make your website compliant, I want to go over some bonuses with you just to show you how you can enhance your website experience or your website once it becomes ADA compliant. So bonus number one here is going to be a traffic bonus where you're going to be able to follow a training after your website has become ADA compliant. It will also be able to rank much quicker. As a result, this training is going to help you accomplish that. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two is basically another sort of traffic. So there's still a lot of classified ads. And usually we see classifieds in newspaper, but there's still plenty of them online. And with this bonus, you're going to be able to put your website on over 1,000 classifieds on the internet, and that will drive traffic to your ADA comply website. That's bonus number two. With bonus number three, of course, with your website being compliant, you're going to be able to drive more traffic and earn more profit. And that's what this bonus is about. It's a video training program that you're going to go through to help you become more profitable with your website. And bonus number four, of course, there are some upsells that come with ADA Comply 2.0, and some of those actually will allow you to offer this as a service on Fiverr. And this is a training that will help you basically set up your Fiverr gigs and set up Fiverr so that you can monetize ADA Comply 2.0. And bonus number five is going to be basically the bonus from the vendor, and that will be available to you on a link that you will click once you pick up ADA Comply 2.0. Now, let's take a look at the sales page for ADA Comply 2.0. And this basically is going to tell you in a short video why you should become compliant and basically what is happening to websites that are out there currently that are not compliant. So basically, and also it's going to tell you how you can earn a six-figure income using this software, thus the price point that we're going to see, because usually software are not priced so high, especially the front end component. But you see, this software is priced a little bit higher because of the benefits that you're going to get if you decide to pick it up. As for the rest of as I mentioned, it's on $67. That's pretty high for a front end of a software, but this offers quite a bit of benefits, so therefore it's priced a little bit higher. You can take your time to go through the rest of the sales page and decide whether or not ADA Compliant 2.0 is going to be a software for you that you can use to earn money on the internet. Of course, for other reasons other than earning money with it, you may want to pick it up so that you can get your website to be compliant with the Americans with Disability Act. So let's take a look now at some of the upsells that come with ADA Comply 2.0. Now, with the front end, as we've just discussed, it's $67 for one time fee, and of course, it's gonna have some limitations. I don't know quite what the limitations are, but it turns out the first upgrade also is going to cost $67. So it's going to be unlimited websites. So if there's unlimited websites with the pro version, that means in the front end you're going to be only be able to um, to perform the compliance um, um, piece of the software on a limited number of websites. And if you purchase the pro version for another $67, that limitation will be removed. Now, with the second upgrade is the agency dashboard. Now, this is primarily geared towards getting people out there to have a business. So right up front with the second upgrade, you're gonna have an agency dashboard, and that's gonna go for $67 as well. There's gonna be some done for you prospecting kits, proposal, website, and ads, all sorts of things to basically help you set up a business. With the upgrade or upsell number three is the extra agency kit. You're going to be able to sell eight more services with this one, and it's going to cost you $97 one time. So all of these are one time fees that you're going to need to pay. But basically, if you go through and you are serious about using this to earn money and you purchase these upsells, you're going to be in a position where you're going to have pretty much a done for you business, because a lot of these things that you need for your business are going to be available to you, like graphics design agency, web design, all sorts of things that you're going to need for a business are going to be there available to you. Now, with the fourth upsell or upgrade, it's going to be the reseller license. Let's say, for example, you decide you'd like to sell this software, and it's actually a good software to sell. It's going to cost you $197 one time to sell the software. Now, whether or not you keep 100% throughout the funnel is something that is not mentioned, so I cannot vouch that you are going to get 100% of the money that you're for your sales throughout the entire funnel. But this is something you will definitely find out once you get on the sales page for the reseller license. And that's basically all the upsells that come with the software. So now let's take a quick look at the software. Now, the only thing that I will not be able to demonstrate is how you would actually implement this, but the video, which is on my bonus page, is very, very, very clear on that and shows you exactly what you need to do. But once you get in here, and these are different people who have actually tested this, you would just simply click on add a website, and then once you add a website, you would be presented with not with the copy code. um, so there's so many different people who have been using this, and that's the reason you see this copy code. Now, once you click on the add a website, you'd be presented with a box that would ask you exactly the name of your website and the name of the campaign, so to speak. Then you would put the name of the campaign first, and followed by the name of the website, and then you would be presented with the copy embed code that we're seeing here. Then you would copy this and you would go onto your website. Let's say it's a WordPress website. You would simply go into your settings and find the footer, and you would paste that code into your website. And then once you refresh your screen, you would see basically the disability symbol there, or icon, I should say. And when you click on the icon, different disability features would be available, so that someone with disabilities would be able to navigate through your website. That's basically how the software is used. Unfortunately, I'm not able to demonstrate it because so many people have been using this review version I have of the software, which is causing it not to work properly. But as far as the business component of the software, you can see here you can search for businesses. You can have compliance reports that you can generate and provide to your customers. You can have compliance reports that you can generate and provide to your customers. And here is the same button. The websites button is the one that we initially clicked on, where you actually going to make a website compliant. And and here are the bonuses that all the bonuses that the vendor is going to provide for you are going to be available here as well. And this is basically ADA Comply 2.0 in a nutshell. Now, if you feel this is a software, not only can you make your website compliant, but you can also use this as a business. To pick it up via my link, all you have to do is click on any of these yellow buttons. You're going to be found on the first link at the bottom of the video. So the first link at the bottom of the video, when you click on it, it's going to bring you here to my bonus page. And on my bonus page, you can just click on any of these yellow buttons, and that will take you to the sales page, which is what we discussed previously, the sales page. And once you get here on the sales page, you can click on any of these. That's the $67 button here, and there you'll be able to purchase ADA Comply 2.0 along with the bonuses that I'm offering and along with the vendors bonuses. And that's basically it for ADA Comply 2.0. I thank you very much for watching this review, and I will see you next time.